pieces, we can't seem to figure out what the puzzle is supposed to look like.
Oh, but it's touching. Forget the myths that the media's created. The truth is, these are not very bright guys, and things got out of hand.
Supposedly he's got a lawyer with $25,000 in a brown paper bag.
Follow the money.
What do you mean? Where?
Oh, I can't tell you that.
But you could tell me that.
No, I have to do this my way. You tell me what you know, and I'll confirm. I'll keep you in the right direction if I can, but that's all. Just follow the money.
I've gotta follow the money, gotta go to work, gotta make a living till my body hurts. Gotta bite my lip, gotta wreck my health, gotta break my back for my share of wealth. Gotta follow the money, gotta go to work, gotta make a living, till my body hurts, gotta bite my lip, gotta wreck my health, gotta break my back for my share of wealth. I gotta follow the money, gotta earn my pay, spend everything, earned yesterday, gotta find the cash, cause it won't find me, so I can feed myself, and my family. When I left school, I was bumming around, and smoking, drinking, let my mind wander, and rolling